Good afternoon, everybody. It's Stanley Martin in Custom Homes. This is Tim Brassfield once again, coming from Arlington, Virginia. Today we are one of my projects where we are doing cabinet install in the kitchen and bathrooms. So let me show you what we have going on here. See here in the kitchen, got everything pulled out of the boxes, set in the general area where they'll be installed. This is the oven cabinet that they're reconfiguring to fit the specifications of the oven selected by the homeowner. Sorry about the noise there. And you can see where they got the wall all marked out here, where each cabinet goes. They've marked and drilled to make sure we've got blocking behind there to hold the cabinets in place. You can see where we've got all your wires for under cabinet lights punched through the walls. And there we go. Alright, I'm going to let these guys get back to work, but thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Have a good weekend.